FlexJobs here, back again for our 6th annual list of the top 100 companies with remote jobs. Featured in CNBC and Forbes, these 100 companies offer the most remote jobs in 2018 out of more than 51,000 companies. We want you to know more about this list and how you can find your own remote job. Each year, we analyze the job posting histories of all the companies in the FlexJobs database. That's over 51,000 companies to find the 100 that posted the most remote-friendly jobs. Remote-friendly means that the job must let professionals work from home either part or all of the time. In the top 100, we find companies from the corporate world, education and nonprofit, and government sectors, and it might surprise you to know how many are well known. For example, Hilton, Dell, Williams-Sonoma, and Amazon are all in the top 25. The U.S. Department of Commerce, Salesforce, Johnson & Johnson, and Cisco are also on the list. Career fields like computer and IT, medical and health, sales, education, and training are the most common for remote jobs, though we list openings in over 55 career fields at FlexJobs, so there are a lot more possibilities. Lastly, here's a little bit about what FlexJobs does to help professionals find remote jobs and other jobs with flexible work options. It comes down to this: FlexJobs helps you find a better way to work. With the most comprehensive database for hand-screened, legitimate, flexible, and remote job listings, we make it faster, easier, and safer to find a remote job that fits your life. If you're interested in finding a remote or flexible job where you could work from home, we invite you to visit FlexJobs.com and check out the jobs we have on our site to see if there might be a match for you. Use the code TOP100 to save up to 30% on FlexJobs services. To see the full list of the 100 top companies for remote jobs, head to FlexJobs.com/blog. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in your flexible job search.